Alright guys, we're gonna go inside the Sahara Hotel, and you can see Sahara Las Vegas. We're gonna go inside here and we're gonna look for Menway or Munway, something. Is this how you go inside the Sahara Hotel, this way, or is it that way? Okay, so we're gonna have to go here, and then I'm gonna have to ask for something that says Menway, or what is the word? I don't know exactly, but some type of train that is gonna take us into Aria Hotel, because I'm trying to save cost on Uber. I already been burned a couple times already. Uber is crazy over here. It's not sustainable actually. So let's see if we can actually find it. So we have to go underneath and inside here. Every place is freaking gambling. Every single place. It's annoying kind of a little bit.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you know what is the train? The train, what's it called, the train?
The monorail?
Monorail.
You get the monorail back there, right?
Okay. By there?
To the right.
To the right. Okay, thank you.
It's like once you get Starbucks and the coffee shop across the way, it's behind the coffee shop on the left.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you. So I'm gonna get in the monorail, and that's gonna take us to Aria. So a lot of casinos. This is the Sahara Hotel, and every hotel is like have this theme design on it. There's people playing blackjack like that. Man, seems so stressful. Stressful to play. So my plan is to go to the Menway. I keep forgetting the name of it, but we're gonna go there anyway. Get into that train, and then we're gonna go to Aria. That's where the conference for CrowdStrike is at. What is this? VIP access coffee shop? This must be good for people to be lining up like this for coffee shop. Yeah, so humanity. Where is the Starbucks? Since I was supposed to be a Starbucks over here. Oh, here it is. So where is Starbucks right here? That's it. That's the elevator. Okay. Monorail. Yeah, that's it. That's the train. Monorail. You go this way for the train? Yeah. Okay. So this is where the monorail is. So the monorail is trying to go to Aria. How much is the fare for that?
Aria? If you like Uber or something like that?
I was trying to get in the train.
Oh, to take this?
Yeah.
I'm not sure how much it would be. I think that it's on their website though.
Okay.
If you look up the
So if you want to take it, you just have to reserve in the website, or can you just go pay?
I think you have to get your tickets on the website.
Oh man.
I think it's all like electronic.
Oh my God. So right now, where is the station at? Is there?
Yeah, if you go all the way up to the top, they might have kiosks up there. I've never
Okay.
been.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna try that. Thank you. So seems like it's always something. Right now, I think they're saying I have to go upstairs to the top. I'm gonna follow those people. They must be onto something. Okay, we're going upstairs. Strata Hotel is super tall. Even this escalator is super tall. Damn. Nothing like this at all. Yeah, it's the scariest escalator I ever rode because it's so loud and so tall. Get me out of here. Okay, so those people, I'm looking for the train, so I'm not sure if I'm Noodle Den at Sahara, Las Vegas. That looks good, but where is the train at? I'm just following people over here, and that's the hotel I'm staying at, this route. That is a tall tower. Damn, man. That's scary. I'm scared of height. I just realized that. Those are all the car parking lots. Monorail. Where is the monorail? Should I just get an Uber, bro? Let me look at how much Uber cost will be. How you doing, sir? How you doing? Trying to get a ticket to go to Aria. How much is that?
So you can get a one ride to the MGM, and it's gonna be $6 for a one ride from here to MGM.
So can you? Is this no stop for Aria only?
Yeah, that's the only stop for the Aria. Aria is actually right over here.
So it'll be how many minutes walk from MGM to Aria?
Yeah.
How many minutes, like from here?
It would be about 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's still a long walk.
Yeah. You could get. It would be cheaper to take this to the MGM and then like taxi it if you'd like. It's a little cheaper than taking the taxi all the way from here to Aria.
Oh, yeah. From Uber to here, you think it's crazy?
It'd be like $30, $40.
Okay.
You could take $6 from here to MGM and then about $9, $10 from MGM to Aria.
Okay. Yeah, let me do that.
You want to do that? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me cash your card today, sir.
Card.
It'll be $6, please. Signature at the bottom, please.
Okay.
There you go, sir.
All right. So how does it work? You just go through the station and just wait for the train?
Yeah, so once you go past the gate, you're gonna board on the right downstairs.
Okay. Just follow those people, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We got our train pass, and now we're gonna see. Well, how does it work? I guess you have to put it. I have to scan the ticket.
Next stop is Westgate Las Vegas Station. Please allow passengers to exit before boarding.
So I have to put a ticket in here. Why is my ticket not working here? What? My ticket's not working here. Okay, there you go. What? Oh, you got the ticket in there. Why is it not going in?
Next stop is Westgate.
Oh.
It just happened, bro. I've seen you do it twice.
Yeah. Like, I don't know. How do you get it in there?
I've seen you try
Yeah.
twice.
Yeah. I even put in the ticket. The ticket took it, but it didn't open.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, that thing is super tricky. Here's my receipt of me paying for it. I need to take a picture of it anyways. for the documentation purpose. Okay, got it. So now we're waiting for the train to come. I'll resume whenever the train comes, because this could be a long one.
Monorails are